Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got bases loaded lacquer, Lucasaurus, and Beauty Big Bang Flowers-XL007. I am starting off with, I've got a base coat on, Baby Girl Lacquer's Glitter Be Gone, and here is Lucasaurus. Look at that hollow goodness. Ooh wee. Such a pretty green hollow. I love this. And we're going in with our first coat. It's very nice. It's got a very smooth formula. And I'm digging it, of course. So there we go. We're going to cap our little free edge here. I don't know if you can notice, but on these nails on this hand, I'm kind of going with a little bit of a different shape. I'm still working on them. And here we go with our second coat of Lucasaurus. This is GERmanikure, or Guyleen's grandson's polish that Tara made. It's so pretty. So happy to have this one. We are doing 3 coats of this. I do thin coats. Depending on how you paint your nails, you might be able to do 2. There we go. Get that on there. It's so pretty. I am going to top this with I&M's out the door. I'm going to get it to dry down so I can do some stamping because I'm ready to play. So ready to play. But I love that gold shimmer that's jumping out of this. It's a Lucasaurus polish. It's so Lucasaurus. Here we go. I'm going to cap that free edge. Ta-da! Look at that. Here's my swatch photo of it on its own. Here we go with Beauty Big Bang Flowers-XL007. I'm going to get the blue film off of it and run some acetone across it real quick to kind of clean it up. And I don't know why they call it flowers. To me, this is a St. Patrick's Day manicure stamping plate. I'll be using bases loaded lacquer shutout and on the black to stamp with. I'm going to go a little crazy with it today. So I've got out one of my little cube stampers. And what I'm doing is I'm double stamping. I'm stamping in black and then stamping the same image in white. So I'm going to go through and stamp them all black and then go back with the same images and do them in white on top of the black. Kind of just offsetting it just a little bit. And I find this easier to do with a cube stamper than one of my round stampers. But, you know, you do you. If you're good with a round stamper and that's what you've got, go for it. It can be done. I have done it. So I am going to cover up Lucasaurus a bunch with my stamping today, and I really didn't want to, but I just got carried away. You guys know this happens with me. I get to stamping and I wanted to try this plate out and try as many images as I could, and you know, it's just one thing leads to another, and here we are. Double stamped on all of them. Now, I can say you can still totally see Lucasaurus underneath. I mean, it's there. And here we go. I flipped that plate around so that I can get some of the images that were on the top of the plate. And I'm a little out of frame on the polishing in and filling it in, but you're going to get to see it on my nails, so I think it's okay. I will try. I'm really trying to stay in frame better, but you guys, sometimes I get to playing and I just forget where I'm at and what I'm doing because I'm playing like a kid in a sandbox. But I did slide that plate over a little bit, so maybe that'll help. You can actually see I'm going for this other image over here. But this is really kind of like my, I guess, this year's St. Patrick's Day manicure. It was stuck to the mat. Trying to figure out where I'm putting things. There we go. And then one more. I really like this with the shamrocks and the like it's garland, like shamrock garland. I just really thought it was cute. Really adorable plate. And I will probably use it again. And I don't care if it's St. Patrick's Day or not. I'll be, you know, playing with it when I can play with it. Because, you know, good luck and all that. You can go all year with that. So I'm fixing to change to the white polish, but I need to get all of this cleaned up really well so that I don't pick up any of the black when I'm doing it in the white. So I've cleaned my scraper card, my little mat, the stamping plate, everything. And here we go. We're going to go back through those images again and try to line them up. Trying to see if I can see, and of course out of frame. There you go. Yeah, but you can see I was really doing it. What it is I really just need to stop dialing my camera in so tight. But I want you guys to be able to see, and in that effort, I'm messing things up and getting all out of frame, which is pretty bad. Oh, this one's in frame really good. It's Happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy, happy, joy, joy. So, we'll try to line these up. I always try to pick like one image on the nail and try to just get that one lined up. And then just go ahead and commit and stamp that rascal onto the nail. This would have been fine just stamping in one color. It would have been really pretty, but you know, I had to overdo. Trying to figure out where's my one. Okay, committed. Pushing down. And then this last one with the shamrocks. So yep, I'm pretty excited about this one. I knew when I saw this plate that I wanted to pair it with Lucasaurus, and we did it. It wasn't just a thought. I actually ran through with it. Alright, so now we're done with the stamping. I'm going to clean up all of my goodies, my stamping plate, my little mat, everything. Everything needs a good cleaning. I wipe it with a lint-free wipe. And then I'm going to reload my... I got to get another cotton ball and reload some acetone, because this was messy business. I was all over that plate and that little mat. I was everywhere. Look on the back to see if I need to clean any of that up. And now I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and get some of the excess up off of my skin. That way when I go to dive in here with my acetone, I won't have to spend so much time on it. It'll be quick. And get that stuff off me. So there we go. Of course, I've got stuff everywhere. That's how I do. Got my little dampen dish with a little bit of acetone in it. I'm just going to pop in. Very minor cleanup here. The tape got most of it up, so we did pretty good on that. Just going around the edges. I do dab on the paper towel in between reloading my acetone on the brush. So I'm topping these with the smudge-free top coat. And once that is dry, and it doesn't take long to dry, I'll be topping everything off with my Poshe top coat, sealing it in, and calling it done for the day. So there we go. We got it done, y'all. There we go. Capping that free edge. We're good to go with our little St. Patrick's Day manicure. So alrighty, here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next